What happened when you were 300? Your other 300 SUV.
So I drove it for 4 years or 5 years in the winter, and the rear end rusted right out of it.
The whole rear end.
The whole rear end. You could fix it, but how far are you going to keep chasing the rust?
Yeah. So what did they quote you? What did your buddy quote you if you were going to do that, bro?
I was looking around about $5,000 to $6,000, and that's just like if it was to work out in my favor. It would have been more.
What exactly rotted out? It was
so the frame of the rear end right behind my tire, so like the axles on the tire, like the rear end, it rotted right out where the frame literally like snapped.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, it was the cradle, the rear cradle.
The cradle broke because of the frame snapped.
Oh,
so
I see.
Where the cradle bolts into your frame, it was so rusted that the bolts just ripped out when the frame went.
And that's from driving in the winter. So it was your fault.
Yeah, my fault. It was a mint condition car when I bought it. You know, my couldn't afford a secondary car, so I went and bought my dream car first.
Yeah. How many kilometers did you have on it? Like, I know it was like 420 when we first started filming.
Yeah, so 426, 427, I think that was the end of it.
Wow.
And engine was still going though, that's the thing. I wish the frame lasted, but
that motor has so many kilometers on the body, dude. That's a lot of kilometers.
Yeah, it's a lot of kilometers.
Yeah, and it was honestly running great.
Oh yeah, smoking cars, burnouts with a rotten rear end.
With a rotten rear end. I think when we did that burnout, it was probably like 2 weeks later. It was gone.
It was literally 2 weeks later. That last burnout I did was when that cop pulled up and that Tim Hortons there. Yeah, that was the last one.
Well, we're almost there.
So the front bumper's off. I took the headlights off, the fog lights off, and the side panels off. It's not that bad of a shape. A little bit of rust on the bumper. But all right here, it's all solid still. A little bit of rust there.
I can't believe you drove that many kilometers on it. 400?
420, 684.
Oh, of course it's 420, eh?
Oh, that's how we roll.